channel. So today I'm going to show you how to start using HAP software. So from beginning to advanced level I will show you guys how to use this software. Okay, so let us start now, and after that I will show you how to calculate the heat load calculation. So let us open this software. So you can see I have opened the software. So this software is our analysis program version 5.1 international edition, and this is made by Carrier. Okay, so just click OK, and here in this it is showing the number of projects which you have done here. So list of project is showing here. Okay, and list of project showing here. Okay, so simply you have to cancel this. Okay, so just cancel. Okay, and this one you have to also cancel and just explore this. Okay, so this is your main page for this HAP software. So how to start this? So first of all you have to go to this project. Okay, and click here on this new project. Okay, so once you click here in this new project, you can see here in this preferences tabs there are two tabs here. Preferences list, there are two tabs. Okay, one is project and one is another one is general. Okay, so first you have to go to the project, and then you have to select here lead rating system. So here you can select lead 2009. This is applicable for electrical. And next one is ventilation extender. So ventilation extender, here there are list of ventilation extender given here, starting from ASRE extender 62 2001, 62.1 2004, 2007, 2010 and up to 2016. So anyone you can select from this list. So better to select the latest one, which is ASRE extender 62.1 2016. Okay, so I'm selecting this. And next one is energy extender. So energy extender you can select from this list as well. So here is you have to select the latest one, 2010. Okay, and next box is unit. So currency, so this is applicable for the energy calculation, energy cost. Okay, so whatever currency applicable as per your project, you simply enter. So I am going to enter here AED, Arab Emirates Dirham. Okay, so next tab is general tab. Go to the general tab and select the English system. Okay, so English system is nothing but the measurement of unit system. Here are two measurement of system is given. One is English system and second one is metric system, SI metric. Okay, so here is English system. And email address for your Carrier sales engineer, so this is not required. If you want you can put it. Okay, and next you can see here the preferences applying to hourly analysis program, which is here first this left side is toolbar and status bar, and right side is given here operating mode. Okay, so operating mode, and here is the toolbars. So here you can see all toolbars is selected here. So tool tips, so show date, so time, so everyone you have to check. Okay, and here is operating mode is enable energy analysis features. So in this basic level it is not required, so you have to uncheck this you have to learn later. Okay, so just click OK. Now this is your basic setting is ready. So now you have to go to this untitled. You can see here in the left top right corner is given on untitled. So what you will do, you have to rename this. So for the rename you have to click and go to the properties. Okay, and then you have to see this is the property box is open. So here is you can see the project information. So you have to enter the project information whatever it is. So this project information you have to enter here. So I am going to enter here this project 2 BHK villa. So 2 BHK villa. So just enter here 2 BHK villa. Okay, and next is a project number. So you can enter here 001 or whatever you applicable the number in your project, you have to enter here. And here is the date. You cannot change this because this is taken by software by default. So today is 31. So and time is 9:57. And company name, so company name you can enter whatever is applicable in your company. So I'm going to enter SEC, Success Engineering, Success Engineering. Success Engineering. Okay, and the contact person for the Success Engineering is designer. Whatever applicable in your project, as per your project, you can select from this list. And project manager is Mr. Alam. Okay, and here the notes, whatever notes you want to enter, you can enter here and just click OK. So now your this project is ready to start. So how to start this? First of all, you have to start from the weather. This is the tree view and this is the list view. So whatever you have to select the tree view, it will show here in the list view. So for example, I'm going to select this first. Okay, so 2 BHK villa is show here in the list. All the parameter is showing, which is weather, space, system, plant, project. In this 2 BHK villa, all this we have to all these tabs we have to use. Okay, so next first of all you have to go you have to start from the weather. So select the weather. Okay, and double click here in the list view, which is weather properties. Okay, so this project we have to do it as per the UAE standard. So here you can see this is the weather properties, and which is selected by the system by default is Chicago. So in this there are 3 tabs is given, and one tab you can see for the simulation tab is hidden. So this tab we have to because we have unchecked there in the initial, so it will be hidden. Once you have to check, it will show here as well. I will show you. So go to the here view preferences, and here just check this. And after checking this, you can see there are so many electrical parameter also active here. So you can see the fuel rate, electric rate, boiler, cooling tower, etc., chiller as well. So I will show you. Again you have to uncheck, and you can see this will be hidden. So see this one, uncheck, click OK, and see this all has gone up to here only available project library. Again I will show you here preferences, then you have to check this again and it will active here. After project library, in this project library you can see up to this door, and after that door and shade. After that this 4 and 5 parameter is active by energy simulation. Okay, and once you click here and this weather property, you can notice this simulation tab is also active, because you have to check there. So this time at this stage actually this simulation tab is not required, because I am explaining the very basic for our viewers. Okay, so just cancel this and go to this view tab, go to the preference and just uncheck this. I will show you later. Now go to the start from this weather properties. Okay, so double click here weather property design tabs, and you can see there are 4 tabs which is applicable here. Okay, so this tab is in this I'm just explaining the basic how to use this. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how to start any project, okay, in this app, how to do the cooling load calculation. Okay, so this is the weather property. So in this you can see this one, three tabs is there. So first one is design tab. So here you can enter the design parameter. So here you can enter the region, location and the city, and latitude, longitude, whatever applicable for your project and for your region, you have to just enter here. And design system is taken care by the software. You have to, you no need to change this. Okay, so you have to enter here only, and then you can click OK. Next is your next go to the project library. So in this project library you have to click the schedule first. You have to create the schedule. So here click in this tree view the schedule, and in the list view new default schedule you have to create the schedule here, which is you can see here the schedule type is, there are so many schedule type in the fractional, and in the fan thermostat is only one, and utility rate is applicable for the energy analysis. So in this fractional utility fractional schedule you can see the people, lighting, equipment, miscellaneous, sensible, miscellaneous, latent, ventilation, airflow, service, hot water usage, miscellaneous, electric, miscellaneous fuel. There are so many schedule type, so you have to create whatever applicable for your project. The next is hourly profile. So you can see here there are so many profile given. So profile 1 2 3 4 5 up to 8 profile given. According to your project you have to select any one of this profile. If you double click this profile, it will show you, you can like this increase and decrease and set as per your requirement. Okay, so for example I will show you how to set. This is the time and this is the percentage. Okay, so for example morning 8 o'clock our office will start. So before this 8 o'clock the energy required is very less, so this you can change up to like this. You can make it 0, almost 0. Cooling is not required at this time. So cooling is required from 7. Okay, 7 for example, the less cooling is required. 8 little bit more, and 9 little bit. 10 you have to increase the 10, 11, 12. This is your 9. This is the peak time. Okay, so peak time again you have to go up to here, and you can make it down like this. So as per your choice you can set this one. Click OK, and you have to select the schedule, this schedule one, and assignment is, you can see this is January to December, and this is the design month, which is January to December. Okay, and the month and Monday to Tuesday is here this profile, which is not active because energy analysis, this is applicable for the energy analysis. Okay, so which is not active Monday to Tuesday, so this profile is not applicable. This will be applicable only for energy analysis. If you active this, and I will show you how to active this preferences, check, click OK, then go to the schedule, and you can see, notice here this from Monday to Sunday. The profile you can select from Monday to Saturday, profile 1, and click OK. And for profile 2 you have to create one more profile which is applicable for Sunday. Okay, so this Sunday you make it all 0, all 0%. You can make all 0% because Sunday you don't require AC. Simply you can make it 0. like this. You have to make it 0 and click OK, and then you have to go to this sample hourly analysis profile, go to the assignment, and for the Sunday you have to select this and select profile number 2, and for holiday as well the profile number 2. Okay, now click OK. Like this you have to create. Then you have to go to the wall, and you can create the wall u value. Okay, so you have to click and enter here all your layers, okay, for the u value. Okay, all your wall layers, and then click OK, and then you have to create the roof u value as well here, and again you have to provide the roof assembly name and the layers of the roof, and click OK. Then you have to create the window doors here, like this, the name of the windows and height, width, etc, u value, etc, and the glazing overall shade coefficient, etc. Then click OK. Then create door as well. So here you can see the door properties, door details. You have to enter door name, gross area, u value. Okay, and then glass, if applicable, then you have to enter the glass detail as well. Okay, and then click OK, and now you have to deactivate this energy analysis. Okay, then shade, if applicable, the shade is applicable, you can enter the shade as well, the name, default shade type. Okay, and the Revit depth, reveal depth in inches, left projection from the surface, and height above windows, distance from the edge of the windows, whatever it is you have to enter here. And the next is you have to create the space. Then go to the space. Okay, after the project library you have to go to the space. Okay, so click on this space in the list view. The list view, you have to click on the space, and here you can found in the tree view, here in the list view you can found the new default space. So double click here, and you can see here so many tabs applicable for the spaces. So you have to enter all these details from your drawing. So you can see this is the general tab. First one is general tab, and the space name, floor area, and average ceiling height, building weight, and then ventilation requirement, outdoor air ventilation requirement, space uses, you can select from here. And then go to the internal tabs. So in the internal tabs you can see the lighting, overhead lighting details is required, schedule, then task, lighting, equipment, people, and miscellaneous. So all these details you have to enter as per your project. Then go to the windows tab, windows and door. So you have to enter the windows and door details after this roof and skylight. So roof and skylight you have to also enter this these details. Then infiltration, so infiltration, if applicable for your project, you have to enter here. And then floor, so floor is then floor, so you can select any one of floor from these I hope this battery is fin I have to put my laptop in the okay, so you can see this one. This is your floor tab. So in this floor tab you have to select the floor type as per your applicable, which is applicable for your project. So according to your project you have to select here, and which is and then go to the partition. If partition is applicable for your project, you have to select that also. Okay, so here you can see the ceiling and wall partition, and partition 1, partition 2, etc. And then click OK. Then go to the system. Then you have to create, double click here, new default system. So in this you can see there are 4 tabs as well here. So first go to the general tabs, and you can enter the air system name, equipment type, and here system type, whatever applicable for your project. And then system component. So in this system component there are so many parameters, which is ventilation here, economizer, ventilation reclaim, pre-cool coil, preheat coil, humidification, dehumidification. Okay, so whatever applicable for your project you have to select. For example, heating not required, so you have to uncheck this, and central cooling is required, so you have to check this and enter the detail here. Then supply fan details, so you have to enter the supply fan detail here, and duct system as well. And then go to the zone component, so you have to add the spaces into the zone. So first click on this space and default space, add this, and thermostat. So here is the your thermostat and zone data. All zone thermostats set the same. Okay, all zone thermostats set the same. So here is the zone name, all zone will be the same cooling. Okay, and then whatever the detail is required you have to put. Then supply fan and click. Then go to the sizing data. In this sizing data you have to check this, both system sizing and zone sizing is required. So system sizing and zone sizing here. So in this system sizing you can see this is the system sizing data. Cooling supply temperature is showing, will show here in this report. Then you can see this is the hydronic sizing and specification. So hydronic sizing is about chill water system. Chill water delta T is required here, chill water, and hot water delta T. This is generally by system, it is taken by default 10 degree to 20 degree. Okay, and then safety factor you have to enter here 10% or whatever applicable for your project. Then you can see the system sizing data. Sizing data is generated by computer or user defined. So I want to generate by the system, I don't want user defined, because if you click here in user defined you have to size data as per your design. So let us generate by the computer and click OK. So you can see this one, why the error is showing, because I not selected here thermostat. So you have to select this and click OK. Then you can go to the system and you can see here it is accepting. Okay, and after this, and that if plant is applicable you have to open the go to the plant tab, and you can open here the plant properties, and you can see all these tabs is not active because this is applicable for the energy analysis. Okay, so two tabs is only active here, which is general tabs and system tabs. So in the general tab you can enter the plant name, and the plant type is, you can select the plant type from here: generic chilled water plant, generic changeover plant, heat recovery plant, hot water plant, and service hot water plant, steam plant. So whatever plant applicable, so you have to select from this list. So I'm selecting chilled water plant, and plant name is here chiller plant. Okay, and then the system you have to select the default system and add to this plant, and then click OK. And the now is the time to generate the report. So how to generate the report? First I want the weather report. So here you can select the weather and you can click here preview. So it will generate the report here like this. Okay, now you can see this is your 2 BHK VLAN okay, and design weather parameter, and here is the design name, design parameter, whatever you have to select will show here. Okay, now you can, if you want space report, so you have to select, go to the list tray view and select in the list view default space, and in this quick access toolbars you can see this is the toolbars which is view input reports. So you can view from here as well, otherwise you have to right click and you can see the view input report here, view input data, so you can generate the data here. Okay, like this you can generate the report as well. Next is system. Go to the system and I want the system design system input report. So you can see this is the view input report, so design view input report. Okay, so you can print the report from here, input show. You can generate the input report from this tools. Okay, and this is your view design report. So here is the input report what you enter, and this is the design report. So from here you can also generate the design report. Once you click the design report, the system design report pop-up box will open. So whatever report you required, you have to check in this box. So you can see the system sizing summary. I want zone sizing summary, I want ventilation sizing summary as well. So you can check this, and here system load summary and table and graph is not showing here, graph is not applicable, so that's why here no box. Hourly air system load, hourly zone load, so you can check this also if you want, otherwise you have to uncheck. And psychrometric system psychometric, so I want table as well as graph, so it will show here, and then you can preview. Click on preview and then it will show you the system design system report. Okay, air system sizing summary default system. So you can see all these ventilation sizing summary, whatever you select, zone sizing, and this is your system sizing. Okay, so system sizing, zone sizing, and this is the ventilation sizing. In this zone there is only one space, this space is added here in this zone 1. So zone 1 default space is added. So this is your zone sizing summary, zone terminal sizing. So you can see the zone 1 in the terminal details. Okay, and then this is the ventilation sizing report. So this is how we are this is very basic. I explain you how we are using this HAP software in actual practice. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you learn something from this video, please do like, subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon as well. Also please like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. We will meet in the next tutorials which is calculating the cooling load by using HAP for this project as per this DIVA standard. So please be with me and meet in the next tutorial. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.